Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate images on your Windows 11 PC. So I have an image here in my downloads folder of a lion, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to rotate. So once you open up that image, guys, if you look towards the top, you have a bunch of options. And the first one is to edit, and you have the next button here that says rotate or Control plus R. So if you press that button here, you can see that you can click on it and it will rotate the image. Or if you press Control plus R on your keyboard, you can see that you will basically rotate the image. So if I move away from here and just press Ctrl plus R, you will see that it's currently rotating. And that's how you can easily go ahead and rotate an image on Windows 11 PC. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.